There was a love that had been formed by two hearts, and their love is such a pulchritude that can't be resisted by many. It all began with two best friends who have known each other since they were kids.
Good morning, class. Today you have a new classmate. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Raven. I'm 16 years old and I'm from Paris. I hope to get along with you.
Thank you for staying. I will introduce yourself.
Matt easily fell in love with Raven as soon as he saw her.
Paris yun, tapos bangketa yung dinating Walang bibig.
Uy, Raven, is that you? Long time no see, ah. Galing ka pa ng Paris. Baka di ka nakakaintindi ng Tagalog yan.
Nakakaintindi kaya?
Oo naman, hindi ka pa rin nabibiro. Hindi pa rin ako kasugin.
Tumabi ka nga dyan, bro. That's my seat. So galing ka pa ng Paris. I am Matt, by the way. Nice to meet you.
I'm Raven. Nice to meet you.
Bro, may basura doon.
Uy, dito tayo. Dito tayo, guys. Uy, dahil nagdiin mo ah. Ha? Bago classmate natin. Sino? Hindi ah. Tara, kain na tayo. Hey bro, may Raven pa na.
Yes, she's my childhood friend. But not to share, that's her call.
Kaya pala medyo close na yun. Raven, ba't wala ka pa ng kasama?
Wala pa kasamang friends here.
Di ba close kayo ni Walter?
Ay, wala kasama.
Sige, samahan na. Nasa tingin sa bagong classmate natin. Yung isa dun may gusto sa bago. Hindi, no? Uy, natamaan siya. Sabay ko nga bukas. Subukan mo.
After a few months, Raven and Matt became closer. Matt began to fall in love with Raven as each day passed by. To him, Raven is truly the thing of youth.
Wala pala, Raven. May gusto kong sabihin.
Ano yun?
I like you very much.
Seryoso?
Ever since you walked into our classroom, it feels like you walked into my life.
OMG, I'm so sorry, Matt. I just don't see you that way. Pero hahayaan kitang mag-dito.
It's okay, Raven. Pero thank you for giving me a chance to prove myself. I promise na hindi ka magsisisi.
Thank you for the day.
Anytime.
Kyla? Grabe, nag-date ulit kami. Parang nagugustuhan ko na siya.
We, talaga ba?
OMG!
Ay, oh my God. Wait lang, may nag-doorbell.
Walter? Ano ginagawa mo dito? Hala, ang ganda ng flowers. Para sa akin ba yan? OMG, this is my favorite flower. Pakatayin ko lang dyan. Pasok ka nga.
Raven. Raven, matagal na kitang gusto. Sis, umalis ka ng puta ng Paris. Pero ngayon, bumalik ka. Hindi ko kayang magpanggap na wala akong nararamdaman para sa'yo.
Walter?
Anong kung kababata ng tingin mo sa akin? Please give me a chance.
I don't know what to say, but I really appreciate you for waiting. Thank you for your efforts and for making this special.
isayaw ng mapagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapagal. Pag-iliw naririnig mo ba ang iyong sarili? Nakakabaliw, lumalabas sa iyong bibig. Alam kong uto ako, alam kong na marupok. Tao lang din naman kasi ako. May nararamdaman din ako, may kasimanid na tulad mo. Alam kong sana'y bumitaw ang isang tulad mo. Lalayo na ba ako? Paano naman ako?
As days pass, Walter has started to lose all sense of hope. The privilege to be loved by Raven is only a thing he wishes he has. The girl he loves is in love with someone else.
Naghintay ng matagal sa'yo.
Hey, Matt.
Walter, may kailangan ka?
I know you like Raven. Well, we both do.
So, anong gusto mo gawin ngayon?
Nakikita ko siyang masaya sa'yo. At lagi mo siya napapasaya. At di ko kayang gawin yun. Gusto ko lang sabihin na pinapubaya ko na si Raven. At sana, huwag mo siyang saktan.
Oo naman bro, promise ko yan.
Thanks, bro. Okay na tayo?
Oo naman, salamat din.
Nung araw, kay tamis ng ating buhay, puno ng saya at ng kulay, di mauulit muli. Ang oras kapag hinayaang lumipas, madarama mo hanggang bukas, di mababawi muli. Ang dami-daming bagay na hindi naman kailangan, kung pwede lang bawasan natin ang mga tampuhan. Hindi mo lang alam, hindi mo ba nararanasan? Kahapon sana natin di mo na pinahirapan. Patawad muli, di na muli. Ang oras kapag hinayaang lumipas, madarama mo hanggang bukas, di mababawi muli.
Congratulations everyone!
We made it, guys!
I can't believe na gagraduate na tayo tapos maghihiwa-hiwalay na.
Kahit maghihiwalay na sana maging matibay pa rin magkakaibigan natin.
True, walang kalimutan, no?
True.
Their 4-year journey has finally come to an end. Moments of sorrows left behind, relationships grew and fostered. They leave the walls of this school with friendship that many are envious of, while Raven and Matt are living with a love that is like no other.